Mahila, so I got this cold. You know, I got it last night. Didn't go over to JWW's. Just had this cold. Um, it started like I got really cold. Freezing. So then I go to the house and I'm just in bed for like a long time. I got up at like 12 today. I was home early last night. I mean, and then um, sent the text yesterday before Jimmy Carter, and I don't know. I mean, that stuff I showed with the health park, like chipping the paint or something, that could all be really true. I mean, um, but he was 100, and I think the 100 is that shallow how, where if it's 100, it has zero adder. And then if it's over 100, that means like you got work to do. And then if it's under 100, that means like um, it's extra credit, 11, the earth. And then I guess if it's under 100, that means it can have adder or something influence. So, um, yeah, I'm just doing the best I can do. I'm really, you know, just holding it together. I had $66 in my account tonight. I'm not going to spend hardly any of it except for Lee's. I just had that, and I'm just going home. I mean, I'm just going to Versailles, and um, yeah, I sold out Eve. I said my brother should go with the Jaguars. I said they look good, and then he was saying that that was a possibility that for his job. So I hyped that up. I thought that would be really good, but I sold out Eve in the process, and he's writing down everything I say like it's FBI, and so I just, I feel like a failure, I mean, I can't even protect these girls. I mean, it's just, I come here and it's like dizzy dazed, like, okay, you know, like I'm, the dark horse or something, and it's just so stupid. Man, um, I threw up last night. Um, Yeah, just I saw French last night. It wasn't the thin guy. There's an actual French, and he looked the same. And we didn't really have a good talk. He was kind of saying like inspirational posters, and I was just being real, and that's all I got back. So I didn't really like that. Um, and I don't really trust him. I mean, there's these fags now all over this city, and they're trying to, fuck men. And like at Roosters, I couldn't go there. I had to leave. It just they were looking at me like they wanted my ass. And I mean, it's disrespectful. I mean, Katrina worked there. And Cardi B. It's just very disrespectful. Like, I just don't have time for it. Like, it's just stupid. So, um, yeah, I'm just doing the best I can do here. Um, pretty much just leaves every day. It's pretty much all I'm doing. Haven't gone to Roosters or Ramsey's or anything. I guess there's a Logan's out at Hamburg. I haven't gone out there. Um, I talked to these people that were related to Keira Knightley, so that was cool. And then they were talking about the onside kick. This guy that comes there all the time to Jake's, and then this black man, and I kind of told him what I thought, and so anyway, like Eve is just really really sexy. I mean, they were saying my cough was sexy, and like it's like it doesn't stop. Like I get these coughing spells, and then it's like I get these cold chills. I mean, and then to look at it kind of and compare, like for Invisible Woman, it was more the scratches, like the picture on my channel, and the glyph of um, the bull that's doing his walk like Cody, and the Helios. Um, so it was like the scratches, and then with the food, it's like I can just never eat enough. It's just like she's always really hungry, and it's my fault, and and then like with this Eve thing, it's like really really sexy, where it's like um the breathing pattern, the heavy breathing, like it's all real. Like I like it, but then I'm really sick, so but it's really really sexy how um like she's always it's always like this way or something. And I'm not saying it's not for everyone. I'm just giving you like what it looks like right now. I mean, this is all from the scrolls, and if I cut it off, I cut it off. Like it's not really something to compare. I'm just saying, like, um, so, um, yeah, that's it. Thank you.